Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Cedella Marley has released her new children's book dubbed Get Up, Stand Up. The book was released on Tuesday and is published by Chronicle Books and has illustrations by John J. Kabaye. Get Up, Stand Up bears the same name as the 1975 hit track by Bob Marley. According to Marley, Get Up, Stand Up is written for children between the ages of 6 and 8 and tackles bullying. The book shows scenarios where children bully, tease, and exclude their peers on the school bus as well as the playground. Get Up, Stand Up was recorded back in 1973. It was co-written by Bob Marley and Peter Tosh and appears on the Wailers' Burning album that was released by Island Records. Tosh also recorded the song for his 1977 album Equal Rights. Get Up, Stand Up is recognized as one of the pop music's great protest songs. In an interview with Forbes magazine, Marley noted that she will be adapting her father's songs, Is This Love, for a picture book. She also said she hopes the book will empower children to get up and stand up for what is right. Now, the National Jamaica Customer Service Week was launched this morning at the private sector organization of Jamaica PSOJ. A part of the week's activities is a song competition where schools are challenged to write and to perform a song regarding customer service in Jamaica. Last year's third place winner Randy Fletcher of Cornell College shared his song at the launch. The song also won gold in the JCDC song competition over the summer.
This I wanna be the customer service people, them like them. Taxi man and Kenny, them help me out on a daily. Them work them 9 to 5, make Jamaica alright. Let them be the magic, to make Jamaica alright. Give thanks.
Deputy Chairman Richard Rowe shared details of this year's competition.
There's our Jamaica Customer Service Song Competition, and this is open to schools actually. Most high schools participate. I heard there might be just about 20 schools this year in the competition, and the competition will happen at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center on the 26th of September. And then the award to the winners, all these winners, will be done during the very opening of our conference.
National Customer Service Week starts October 1 with the International Customer Service Certification graduation. The National Jamaica Customer Service Week will end on October 11 with a school tour and float parade in Halfway Tree. Now to international news. Her pop singer turned fashion designer Rihanna debuted her new Savage X Fenty lingerie line at New York Fashion Week. The line has been praised for its diversity, providing pieces for all sizes and shapes. The fashion and beauty industry has seen an influx of entertainers. Their celebrity has helped them to outsell traditional brands. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.